So today is National Chopstick Day. So I thought this would be a good time to maybe have a quick little lesson on how to manipulate chopsticks. Kind of cradle the chopstick between your forefinger and your thumb and let it rest on your ring finger, just like that, right? Now, I'm going to close my thumb just a little bit, just to hold it in place so you can see. And then the other one goes between your forefinger, right? This isn't moving, right? These fingers aren't moving. Your forefinger and your thumb. I'm going to show you here the best way to pick up, well, okay, so that's one way you can pick up cold noodles. Stab the mother and just bring it on up off the bowl. Well, those kind of stuck. So let me loosen up, dude. Loosen up. Now, for noodles, you don't want to go in up straight and do this because you're only going to be getting like one or two. You want to come in on an angle like that and then pinch, and you end up getting a lot. You see the difference? I mean, obviously that's too much to put in your mouth. Well, I don't know, it depends. Because what you're doing is pinching, and then you're kind of using them as a platform to bring them to your mouth. See that? You can grab a whole bunch. So those are noodles. There you have it.